Welcome back to our channel. In this video let me share you have how to download Google Drive to desktop and how to add that in your file explorer. So once you add it in your file explorer, then you can easily manage all the Google Drive file right from the file explorer itself, your Windows 11 PC. So that firstly you have to just the head to website and given the link of description, else you can just go to the Google Drive, and here you can able to see the setting option. Click on this and click on the get drive to desktop, then automatically you head to the particular website. Now click on the download drive to desktop and the excel file. After the saved, click on that. Now click on the just install option now, and the Google Drive successfully installation into your desktop. And now click on launch. Now this in the Google Drive and stop the version. Click on to get the started. Now firstly sign into your Google account. Use you're already using your account, Google account, on whatever the Google account you want to, so sign in with your Google account. Now here your Windows PC, you can see Google Drive and loading your file. Click on OK. Now under to minimize the application, you can able to see the Google Drive. Now just head into the file explorer. Now here along with your local disk and can be able to see the Google Drive folder as well. So just double click it and click on the drive. Now here you can able to see all the Google Drive files. So now what are the first file and you want to get from the Google Drive, you can just copy the particular. For the example, I am copying this file and go to next tab and go to the local disk and click on the save whatever the file you want to move the local disk and the Google Drive. You can easily do that, the just copying the particular file and go same the drive. Click on the paste. So now the particular file has been moved the Google Drive storage. Now you can cross check this by the just going to the web browser. Under the my drive section, you can just the reloaded your Google Drive in your web browser. Now under the recent items, so now I can able to see that the same picture. So now in the way you can add Google Drive to your file explorer, you have can easily copy or move file from the Google Drive and local disk on the from the local disk from the Google Drive, and very easily. Well, that's on this video guys, and hopefully you like this video and like the subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching this video guys.